Hi there, and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Natty G. Today we are making fruit pizza, and most people like to do it with cookie dough. And I am using Supreme Triple Chocolate Brownie Mix. So I have already preheated my oven to 350 and cut my parchment paper into a circle to fit it on a pan, and I sprayed it. I just made the brownies like what the box said. I'm gonna have my lovely assistant hold my bowl so I can scrape it out onto my pan. A lovely assistant! Okay, so I'm spreading this out around the pan, and I am leaving about an inch or more of length in between the pan and the brownie mixture. So, because it bakes out, so then it doesn't go off the pan. There, that looks good. Okay, so that is in for 15 minutes, and we are going to let that bake till it's done. I am going to set out a block of cream cheese to thaw to room temperature. I'm going to do my dishes right now. I just washed my dishes, so I'm drying my dishes. She's digging for candy. It's done. Now I'm gonna go take out the pan. That was heavy. Okay, so I just took that out, and now I am going to let the pan or the brownies cool for a little bit inside for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then I will take it outside to the garage fridge, and while I'm doing that, I'm gonna go play in all that snow. So we just realized the bottom of our pizza, the brownie, needs a little bit more time in the oven. So we're gonna put it in for about 5 more minutes. And then we'll get it out to see how it looks. Then I'll finally get to go sledding. Hi guys!
Hey Aleah, can I help out with the rest of the video?
Sure, go get an apron on and wash your hands.
Okay.
Okay, so I just got the brownies in the fridge outside in the garage, and I am going to start with my frosting for fruit pizza. If I can even open this. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna beat this all up. Maybe. Ah. There we go. Now I'm gonna mix that till it softens. And it's not in one big chunk. Do you want to mix? Sure. Alright. Mix, good.
Now what, Aleah, me? Or Aleah, whatever. Ooh,
Yeah,
yum.
add a 4th
Cinnamon.
teaspoon of cinnamon. This just gives it a little bit of flavor that makes it delicious.
Okay. Can I mix it again?
Yep, you can mix it. We we're gonna put in 1/4 cup of sugar.
Yum. Sugar makes it sweet. Aleah, what kind of frosting is your favorite?
I really like, I don't know.
My favorite's cream cheese, I gotta say. It's so good.
Chef Natty.
Oh my hand. Mix it.
Okay, so we're gonna put the lid on this and let it sit till the brownies are done, right?
Yeah!
Okay, so now I'm going to spread my frosting on my brownie. You don't want it to get too thick. And Natty G is cutting up our fruit for the fruit part of the pizza. Voila! And it's done. Okay, since we're done, we're gonna wait for all the fruit to be cut up, then we'll start decorating. Alright, so we're gonna decorate our pizza, so when we're done, we can eat it, and there's all the fruit flavors on it, right?
Yeah! Here are the fruits that we're going to use. We are going to be using bananas, mandarin oranges, strawberries, and some canned pineapple, and a banana.
And kiwi.
Golden kiwi. That is like the best kiwi ever.
Yeah. And here's our masterpiece.
Yum. Now all you have to do is enjoy.
Yeah. That's the end of episode 8 of In the Kitchen with Natty G.
And Aleah. Don't forget to press the subscribe button
And like button.
Thanks, and hope you can join me next time for more In the Kitchen with Natty G.
Bye.
Bye.
And I am using, wait, what is it again?
Box brownie mix? I don't know. A box of brownie mix.
No, what is this first word?
Figure it out.
Supreme.
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 Scream.
And,
No, supreme.
and I am using
Bye.
Be sure to hit the subscribe.
The what?
And
Subscribe.
you say subscribe and I'll
You got food on your face.
And you
I'll
say like.
yeah.
Don't forget to press the subscribe button
And like button.
Thanks.